Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to look into the one of the machine learning algorithm, that is KNN algorithm. It is also known as K nearest neighbors algorithm. It is a supervised machine learning algorithm. It is versatile for both classification and regression tasks. KNN is supervised machine learning algorithm. So key features of KNN are as follows. It is a lazy learner. It means that it do not require a training phase. It simply memorizes the training data. It is also non-parametric. It means that it doesn't assume anything about the underlying data distribution. KNN classifies this based on the distance between 2 points. It mainly uses Euclidean distance formula. Easy to implement. KNN is very straightforward and easy to understand for anyone. Working of KNN. Here is how KNN works in 4 simple steps. First is choose the K. Select the number of neighbors we want to consider. Then we calculate the distance between the new data point and every other data point in the training data. Then we identify the neighbors, find the K nearest data points. Finally, we take the majority votes for classification or average the values for regression. Choosing the right K. The value of K is very crucial. A small k can make the data model sensitive to noise, while the large K can make oversimplify the things. Best approach is to examine with the multiple K values using cross validation. It In this we divide the data into K folds and test and train data for each K. Which K gives most accurate, we will be selecting that. Pros and cons of KNN. First is simple and intuitive to understand. Train, no training phase, making it very adaptable. Cons are as follows. For large dataset, it requires very much. It is very time consuming to calculate the distance between each points, so it is not very suitable for large dataset. It is very sensitive to irrelevant features and scaling. Applications of KNN. KNN is used in a variety of real-world applications, from handwriting recognition to medical diagnosis to recommender system and image classification. It's versatile and powerful, especially with smaller and well-structured datasets. That's wrap up this quick overview of KNN algorithm. Let's practically implement the KNN algorithm. So I have already done the programming. I have already written the programming. This is the Kaggle.com. The site provides various types of data sets. So I'm using, for KNN, I'm using iris dataset. I have downloaded it and I have imported the .csv file here and used it in my program. These are various Python libraries which I have imported, which are required for this practical. Uh, KNN neighbor classifier, confusion matrix, accuracy, score, etc. So dataset, we are reading the dataset here, and then we define the x as the dataset.ilog in square brackets colon comma colon -1. Before comma part, the starting part is for rows here, and this is for the columns. So we are selecting the last columns as I have shown. We are selecting this as the x and rest of the 4 columns as the y. So we will be splitting the data set x comma y. Test size is equal to 0.20 and random state is equal to 0. Random state is equal to 0 means it divides the data into 2 parts, 75% of training data and 25% as the test data. And we are using K neighbors classifier method. In this, we are selecting 8 neighbors as data points, and we are using Euclidean method, and we are training the data, and then we are predicting the data, which is x underscore text. We are then creating the confusion matrix and printing it, and accuracy matrix. Accuracy matrix consists of precision recall, first one score, and support. Confusion matrix shows the correct predictions of each column. Accuracy matrix shows the accurate predictions. Precision means how many of the predictions are correct, and recall means of how many predictions the model has done. Are they really correct or not? And F1 score is mean of this score, and there is support. So this is the practical implementation of KNN algorithm. That's it for today. If you guys have found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.